topsy for me.
Hello everyone, this is Schoolboy Runaway. I'm going to be playing a brand new game which none of you have seen on my channel, and we're going to be going through the small gate exit. So let's just see. And we're going to be going out there by pressing the doorbell a million times. So let's just start.
I can't do what I don't like. I want to live freely.
Make sure we close this door. And we must do it at first try. If we don't, it's fine, we can do a second try.
I'm coming.
And you should always hide here. Or behind the door. Right. So Mum is not mad, so she's not going to be opening the gates. So let's just hide behind the door.
Are there kids fooling around?
And this might take a while, but we will escape. And I know I'm very late on this game.
Anyone from an ad or something?
Alright, let's go again.
I'm coming.
Right, Mum's not mad yet, but on the 4th or 5th doorbell, she starts getting mad. So let's just stay here.
Just squirrel ready.
Okay.
Rascals.
She is starting to get a bit mad. So let's just do this
Why don't you always
like
play
more
like
times
this?
until like she notices something bad. Then we can hide in either the cabinet or the bathroom. Alright, let's go.
I'm gonna lose it.
Oh, now she starts getting mad. And now she goes faster. But she's not gonna open the gates. Told you.
Who's that brave out there? Not to him! Damn it.
Alright, let's do this.
Wait a minute.
Oh no. Nope.
Come on!
It's been like, oh, she's gonna water the plants. Let's just go to our room and just play the computer. You can see the mom out there. And it is Andrew 2002, for those who don't know. And you can also get this game on mobile, so yeah, you can get it on mobile. Ooh, what should we do? Should we do fake message? And what should we play? Should we play metal?
My work took a little.
What is this game? Got it. Where?
I have to leave this place.
Actually, I might not know this game. There's the mom. Mom's back. Oh my days, okay. She checks my room and I have to close this. Sleep. I hope the dad doesn't go toilet. I'll be mad. Oh no, she starts getting mad and she gets faster. But she's not gonna open the gates.
Show them how it's done. No words. Even the doorbell is mocking me.
But if dad goes to toilet, we have to go Back to our room. Oh no.
Suppression. I'll go to the toilet.
Not now. Not now. Let's just study or just... Hell no, let's not study. Let's just look around the room first to see what we have.
Oh,
Oh, we did not need that, Dad. That sounds a bit sus. That is sus. Is he come? Oh no, no, he's not. He's not. Is he back? Yes, he is. Close call. Oh, you have to look out for those high-pitched screams. Oh.
I'll go check who's writing to me.
Who's that brave out there?
And I just hope we can actually get through, because I've seen good YouTubers go through this exit, so yeah, let's just try. Oh no. No, she's not gonna open it.
I'll show you.
And then in the next shot, we will be messing around with the mum and dad by eating the food. And we will be hiding like in the bathroom or like in the mum and dad's room. So, yeah. Alright, let's go again. Oh my.
Strike! What an idiot!
Hope the dad doesn't go toilet or I'll be cooked. Alright.
No words. The doorbell is mocking me.
So it's the same thing, but not always the same. Oh no.
Right. I have to go water the plants.
How much longer? Just kick the ball already!
Wait, where is the mum? Oh, she's there.
I would show them how it's done! Come on! Well!
Again. Ooh, it starts getting annoying for mum. Nope.
Enough!
Finally she says something she hasn't said yet.
I told them!
I really hope this exit works. Why is she not opening it?
Who's that brave out there?
Alright, let's go.
Come on, fast, fast! Come on, fast!
Open it. Oh my days.
No words. Even the doorbell is mocking me. I'll show you.
I would show them how it's done. I need to go.
Oh no.
Come on, get to it and make sure the floor
And
shines.
the dad was gonna pee as well, so that would have been a big mess up. Sorry.
Be thorough, don't slack
Oh
off.
my.
Why don't you always play like this?
I am sorry if it's lagging a bit. Oh shit, there's no more.
Good job.
Yeah.
Go to your room. I'll come check on you later.
Okay. Alright, but always ads come in this game. So let's try it again. Alright, Dad doesn't have to pee. That's good. Good. We do not want to have we don't want to have the same mess up we had last time. Okay. And that was nearly first try as well, so second try would be good. But if it's like third try, then I have to start all over again. That would be annoying. Alright, let's go. Alright. She is getting faster, I think.
Come on, come on! Yes, yes, yes! Come on, come on! Ah, you clumsy!
Alright, let's go.
I told them!
Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh my.
No words. Even the doorbell is mocking.
Forward! Come on, come on, come on! Ah!
Oh no.
I would show them how it's done! Where are you going?
I must have done it like 20 times or something, like a lot of times.
Who's that brave out there?
I feel like we have to do it like 20 times so that we can escape.
Someone wrote. I should check.
Alright, let's go. Come on, Lucky, please, please. Yes! Oh my days, oh my days, we got it, we got it, we got it! We have escaped! We finally escaped after a lot of tries. And we've done it!
Rascal, you escaped. Just remember.
So, that is ending 5 out of 8, I think. So So next time we will be doing another ending, but this ending was a success. So take care, and I'll see you for the next Schoolboy Runaway video.